Today we're going to talk about the most widely used UI element for mobile in the world. It's used in everything from Twitter and YouTube to simple applications just to navigate your contacts. It's the list view. It's a really amazing element, and it solves a lot of problems. It's an infinite scrolling list of similar UI elements. And we're going to go over kind of how it works right now. So in Android, we literally can just drop in a view called a list view. We'll see some sample rows when that comes up. But that's not enough. We need the back-end pieces to make this work, because it's a little more complicated than a simple text view or image view. So when we actually want to display data in this kind of scrolling list, the first thing we need is data, right? So here's our data. And it can be an array of objects or a list. Here I'm just going to have an array of numbers. Wouldn't be a necessarily very useful list just to show some numbers, but you get the idea. So we have our data, and then we have to have some description of what each of these rows is going to actually look like. So that can be just some view XML that'll be our row template. So here I have an image view, maybe some text. So what a list view needs is it needs something in the code to combine the data with the actual template for what each row is going to look like. So that is something called an adapter. So the adapter needs a reference to this row, it needs a reference to the data, and what it's going to do is actually take these two things and put them together. Now the list view itself is going to request from the adapter these particular views automatically after we set it to be connected. And that is what will power our list view to have that beautiful scrolling action that allows us to navigate that we have seen worldwide. Now let's take a look at how this actually looks in code, where we have 1, 2, 3 separate elements connected to our fourth list view element.